Hi guys, welcome to Brian Tries Eating. This week we're going to do a episode where I'm going to try an iconic hamburger called the Big Mac. Now you will probably not believe this, but I've never had one. Because I thought if I got this plain it wouldn't be a Big Mac, so I never even bothered, you know what I mean? So yeah, so I've never had a Big Mac. I think this is going to go terribly. But yeah, Big Mac. It's got sauce, onions, pickles, lettuce. There's a middle bun. Alright, here we go. It's hard to grab. It's quite big. Alright, ready?
Swallow it.
I got the pickle immediately, and the sauce was like doubly.
Oh, it's Thousand Island, so it has bits of pickle in it.
Why would you do that? God. Ugh. I can't believe America eats these every day. Nope. Brian hates Big Macs. But give me a good plain cheeseburger any day of the week. Oh. It's got an aftertaste. No. Well, folks, Brian tried eating it. Brian didn't like it. Go ahead and like and subscribe. We need to get to 1,000 followers or we'll never make any money.